Today we're going to take you all through the Legendex Molle storage system in the back of this 76 Landcruiser. Now what we're going to get into is all the different components. Now there is rear windows, drop down tables, passenger windows, shelving, roof consoles, aerial mounts, light cowl mount to the front. There's a ton of product that you can get on your 76, and even the Troopies are coming soon. Now the main difference with the Legendex Rogue Molle gear is it's made out of alloy, it's designed super strong, and I have been testing this right across the country like I do all my product. It's flexible, it's adaptable, and it's super sexy. I'll show you why. Now here you got the rear window and the drop down table. What makes this so flexible is the Molle webbing, you can strap anything to it. You got knives, hacksaws, chainsaws, machine guns. I mean, I have no idea what else this guy's got tucked away, but you can have anything because of the design and the pattern. It's a really useful design to be strapping gear to. And of course, it's practical because you got the table. You can have anything you want in here. This gentleman here's put his little own customized cutting board, which is fantastic. But again, make your own, it's moddable. You can change it, you can drill a hole in it. Alloy is so easy to work with, and it's super light. They do bolt up to the window as per, like everything is lined up to make the fitting super easy, so you guys can customize it any way you choose. With the passenger side panel, super easy. Again, there's a bunch of special clips that we have. Now we make these clips just to fit in behind because it's not an easy fit. The clips make it so easy, which is what it's all about. And it's strong, it's bolted, it's never coming out. Now for the extra bit of storage, we have the shelf here in the rear of the 76. It's a really good height. The fridge fits, the drawers fit, everything fits. Easy reach from down in here. You can get all your bits out of there. Whatever you want to put up there, you can store it. Personally, I use in blankets and bits and pieces, sheets. You can throw a chair up there if you want different stuff. I mean, it's super easy to fit. Again, it's lightweight. On my 79 in the back of my cruiser, I'm actually mounting my little travel buddy in the back because again, it's alloy, a couple of brackets, it bolts up. Now design of this has got a bit of a T-section in there. The reason we don't keep cutting all the holes out, we want to keep it really strong. So we know it needs to be functional, flexible, and sexy. But at the same time, you've got to be able to use it the way you want. A lot of guys are putting like little stubby holders, strapping bits and pieces. Super easy to fit, adaptable, flexible, and sexy. Bolts up, the 76 rear shelf. Again, we've got the aerial mount. Another unique thing that we're doing in the Legendex Rogue Molle is just some custom mounts. So all our mounting is made out of stainless, a little bit more strength. All our brackets are stainless, but every shelf and everything else is made out of alloy. But tucked up, hidden, sleek, and always sexy. Up the front, we've got some couple of hardcore lights mounted on the Legendex Rogue Molle cowl mount. Now for me, the cowl mount's a really unique little feature, and I do put them on all my cars because with the roofs on the side of the road, your spotties are going past them. Cowl mounts just angle off and give me that flood left and right, really close, and a little bit further on. Get rid of the shadows because the roofs, as you know, are dangerous, but at the end of the day, this does make this rig look really tough. I love it. Now, the last bit of all the 76 that we do is the roof console, probably my first and favorite piece we've ever done. Now, Kyle's a little bit eccentric. He's got a whole bunch of colors and he's pretty it is. That's the modifiable bit. Everyone can do their own thing, including pink and green handles or whatever you want to make your car your own. Now, back to roof console. Again, it's stainless steel brackets, just makes it strong. It is alloy, and the webbing means you can hang anything you want from it. On mine, I've got my switches for the light across the front. Kyle's mounted a couple of switches in here. You got all the stuff up top for storage. You got odd, weird stuff, very Kyle-like. It's got everything odd, but that's what makes the Legendex Rogue Molle gear so cool. It is flexible, it is adaptable. They do look good. This is a bit weird, but this is what Kyle wants. That is the Legendex Rogue Molle roof console, the way Kyle wanted it. So if you're in the middle of planning a big trip or got a 76 that you want to deck out, you've got to be thinking about the Legendex Rogue Molle for its storage and just the amount of solutions you can create on your own or the way that we do it. Make sure you get all the details on the website legendex.com.au.